Hi, I'm Hadis Mohammadi. So today we want to talk about this code. This code is a set of additional JUnit tests for the log file manager class. In the first test, it simulates creating a log entry for a charging station named charging 1 and the message saying it started charging. Then it pretends to open a log file for charging 1 on the current date. After that, it creates another log entry for the same charging station and pretends to open a log file again. The test checks if the expected log file name is printed out for the specific equipment and date. In the second test, it acts similar to the first test, but focuses on opening a log file for a specific charging station without specifying a date. It checks if the program prints the expected log file name for the specific equipment and the current date. And for the third one, the test simulates creating a log entry for the main system and stating that initialization is complete. Then it pretends to open a log file for system log on a specific date, which is April 1st, 2023.
Hi dear professor, I'm Hamidreza Fathollahzadeh. I'm here to explain the home task number 5. I created 3 JUnit tests for the class log file manager, and here in the first one, this test is created for a functionality of opening log files for all energy management logs for the current date. It creates a log file manager instance and adds a log entry for energy management, and then calls the open log file method with parameters for energy management and logs and the current date. It then redirects output to a byte array upstream, calls the open log file method again, and asserts that the expected log file name for the current date is printed. And for the second test, this test is for functionality of getting a log for a specific equipment and date. It creates a log file manager instance calls, and then calls the get log file name, and with parameters for charging station logs, a specific charger and the current date, and asserts the returned log file name matches the expected format. And for the third test, this is actually for getting the log file name for system logs for a specific date. It creates a log file manager instance, calls the get file name method with parameters for system log and a specific date, and asserts that the return log file name matches the expected format. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.